Hey guys, I'm Saurav. Welcome to the channel. Happy New Year everyone. I hope this year turns out to be better than the previous year. I really hope that. I hope you'll push yourself more to achieve your goals. What I'm doing in this video is I'm trying to do vlogging. I don't know how to do it. I'm trying something new and there are a few reasons and I'll tell you what the reasons are. First, these are the 600 steps you see behind me. I'll climb that and okay, I don't know what to say. This is the problem that's going to happen. It's my first time, so bear with me. Without wasting any time, let's get started. Reason number one is to get out of my comfort zone. I'm used to shooting reviews, I'm used to shooting tutorials, but vlogging, I'm not used to it. It's not my cup of tea. But that doesn't mean I'm not going to try it. That's the whole point of this video. The problem I've seen with a lot of people is we don't try, we don't give 100%, and we assume things are difficult. I don't think that's the right approach. If you have given your 100% and then you fail, fine, no regrets. I'm trying to vlog. If the vlog doesn't turn out to be good, it's fine, but at least I'm trying it. I know that the more I try, I'll get better at it eventually. I'm going to shoot review videos, I'm going to shoot tutorials, but at the same time, I'm going to push myself and try something new. I had a lot of plans for the year 2020, but we all know how unfortunate the year 2020 was. I might not have shared this with you, but I had an Iceland trip planned out and I was super excited about it. I did not get any money in refund and the trip got cancelled. I was extremely sad. But the point I'm trying to make is, you might have done certain things in the past, you might have not done certain things in the past. But if you're wasting your time regretting it currently, you're wasting your present and also spoiling your future. And I don't want you to do that. Coming back to the point, getting out of comfort zone. I request each and every one of you who is watching the video right now to try out something new, to get out of the comfort zone. Doesn't matter what the situation is, how the year 2021 is going to be, you make the best of the situation, right? Moving to reason number two. Reason number two is getting out of creative block. Now the question is sort of what exactly is creative block? I've been getting a lot of comments, lot of DMs about it. Let me explain. Creative block is basically when you are creatively blocked. I know I'm a genius. Okay. On a serious note, creative block is a phase which every artist, every content creator goes through. It's a phase where you're just not able to think creatively. You're stuck at one particular phase. You're not getting inspired. You're not getting motivated. People around you are trying out new things, and just because you're not doing it, you're getting frustrated. You're getting frustrated about getting frustrated. Then you're getting frustrated. Okay, hope you get the point. The point is, getting frustrated, overthinking is not going to help. It's just going to make things worse. So at such times, what should you do? Well, personally, I felt recently the videos I was making, it was a bit monotonous. I mean, don't get me wrong, I enjoyed creating each and every video, but it started feeling more like work and less fun. And I don't want that to happen. I believe when you're enjoying your work, you're going to give your 110%. When I'm excited for a video project, I'm working harder for those videos, and that is actually visible in the videos. Those videos are way better than most of my other videos. And I want the same thing to happen with each and every video of mine that I upload on this particular channel. So if you're stuck in a creative block, don't worry about it. Everyone goes through it, even I went through it. The point is, you have to take efforts if you want to get out of it. Reason number three is interacting more with you people. I feel these kind of videos which are not very polished, which are raw, I get to connect with you people on a much more personal level. You know, I do a lot of live sessions and Q&A on Instagram, and I love doing that because I get to interact, I get to connect with you people. And I wanted to do something on this platform. I'm not going to show you my day-to-day life, that's not very exciting. But if I'm going to shoot somewhere, the new plans I have for this year, I'm not going to reveal everything, but fingers crossed, I have some plans and this year is going to be super exciting. Okay, I'm done shooting the vlog, I'm done climbing all the 600 steps, now it's time to go back home. Talking about the workout schedule, a lot of people ask me about it. I work out 5 times a week, maybe I'll make a video about it too. The 6th day is the cardio day. I don't think I'm going to hit the gym today. You know, this was too much of cardio already. Lost a lot of calories. So I feel now is a good time to eat some street food and get those calories back. I feel I deserve it. Bye.